Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: a verified Google account, a published app build, and an AdMob account linked to a payment profile. Once done, integrate the AdMob SDK into your app so ad requests can be served. Make sure to use the latest SDK and platform adapter. This reduces crashes and improves fill rates. Then create your first ad unit, banner, or interstitial, and copy the unit ID. Finally, run a local test with test ads to confirm requests, impressions, and no policy violations before releasing. Next, focus on execution. Pick ad formats that fit gameplay or app flow because user experience directly affects eCPM and retention. Once selected, set up mediation groups to combine networks and improve revenue. Start with a few high-performing networks and monitor. Place ads where engagement is natural, then add frequency caps so users don't churn. Also implement rewarded ads for optional monetization, and use a /B tests on placement and timing to iteratively increase CTR and session revenue while keeping churn low. Finally, publish and actively monitor performance metrics: revenue, eCPM, fill rate, and retention. Once live, analyze reports and tweak mediation priorities and eCPM floors to maximize yield. If revenue drops, investigate invalid traffic, SDK mismatches, or policy warnings and update the SDK immediately. Make sure to iterate creatives and placements weekly. One key troubleshooting tip: if impressions are low, first verify that live ad unit ID are used, test mode is off, and ad requests.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.